ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. రామం దశరథం విద్ధి మాం విద్ధి జనకాత్మజాం. అయోధ్యాం అటవీం విద్ధి గచ్చతాత యథా సుఖం. రామం దశరథం విద్ధి మాం విద్ధి జనకాత్మజాం. అయోధ్యాం అటవీం విద్ధి గచ్చతాత యథా సుఖం. Sumitra is telling something to her son Lakshmana when he preparing to go to forest with his brother Sri Rama. Sumitra is saying something to Lakshmana, that is, Ramam Dasharatham Viddhi Mam Viddhi Janakatmajam Ayodhyam Atavim Viddhi Gachatata Yatha Sukham. Oh my dear Lakshmana, you have to feel that Rama as Dasharatha in that forest. You have to consider Rama as your father, not as elder brother in that forest. Ramam Dasharatham Viddhi. The second line is Mam Viddhi Janakatmajam. You have to consider Sita as your mother. You have to respect her as your mother. That is Mam Viddhi Janakatmajam. Next line, Ayodhyam Atavim Viddhi. That forest you feel as Ayodhya. Don't feel discomfort in that forest. The fourth line is Gachatata Yatha Sukham. Go, my child, with joy. Saying Sumitra to her son Lakshmana. This is the casual meaning. This is the general meaning. The another meaning of this shlokam is the depth meaning of this shlokam is Ramam Dasharatham Viddhi. Dasha means a bird, that is Garuda. Dasharatham means that one who has Garuda as his Vahanam, that is Lord Narayana. Ramam Dasharatham Viddhi. Don't feel you that Rama is a simple man and your brother. He is Lord Narayana only. Be cautious while doing service to him in that forest. Next line is Mam Viddhi Janakatmajam. Mam means Goddess Lakshmi. Sita is Sri Mahalakshmi. Don't forget, my Lakshmana. Sita is Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi. Next line is Ayodhyam Atavim Viddhi. The meaning of Ayodhya is Nayodhyate iti Ayodhya, that is Sri Vaikuntham. The another name of Sri Vaikuntham is Ayodhya. So Ayodhyam Atavim Viddhi. You have to consider that forest like Vaikuntham. That is Ayodhyam Atavim Viddhi. Gachatata Yatha Sukham. I am blessing you, my dear Lakshmana. Go to forest with your brother without any doubt. Go happy, be happy with them. These words are saying Sumitra to her son Lakshmana. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Mam Vidhi Janakatmajam Ayodhyam Vidhi Gachatata Yatha Sukham. लक्ष्मण समेत श्री सीता रामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।